Now we're going to be talking a little bit about wired and wireless networking hardware. Wired and wireless networking hardware enables computers to connect to networks, and it also enables computers to communicate and interact with each other on any given computer network. Wired hardware enables computers to connect to wired networks, and wired networks are generally faster than wireless networks. Wireless hardware allows computers to connect to wireless networks such as the Wi-Fi. The different types of hardware that we're going to be exploring are NICs, or network interface cards, routers, hubs, cables, and modems. The first image you see here is an NIC, or a network interface card. It allows devices to connect to any network. Speed of the network connection depends on the NIC that you have installed. It dedicates its time to full-time connection to networks in your computer system. The second image you see here is a router. A router is a box-like structure that enables multiple devices to connect to the same network at the same time. It provides access mostly to LAN networks or local area networks, but it needs to be connected to a modem. There are two types of routers. Broadband routers connect two different devices together or are used to connect two different devices to the internet. Wireless routers connect to your modem and emit wireless signals inside your house, so you can have wireless network inside your house, such as the Wi-Fi. The third image is a hub. A hub is the common point of connection for all devices on any given computer network. It can contain multiple ports, as you can see here. It is also responsible for connecting multiple devices on an Ethernet, and it makes them act like a single segment of a network. The fourth image is an image of cables. Cables are used to connect a single device to other devices on the same network. They can also be used to connect two or more computers to share a piece of hardware such as a printer, fax machine, or scanner. Most computers still use network cables to transfer signals from one place to another despite the development of wireless technology. So cables are still used. They're like wires. The last image is that of a modem. Modem stands for modulator demodulator. It enables humans to transfer data to or from a computer or device through the use of telephone connections or communications lines. Not so much telephone connections now, but a lot of communication lines enable modems to transfer data from one device to another. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you.